Hello everyone, welcome to AICA 2025 Cashew Conference. Welcome ma'am.
Hi.
Can you just introduce yourself and introduce your company?
My name is Vasvi Ramanathan from 240 Cashews Exemes from Panruti. I'm a processor. Probably per month, I'm doing 100 metric ton, and I'm supplying overall Delhi and Gujarat, and mostly I'm doing premium qualities, and I always ensure the product of my quality, and I'm creating a strong brand identity in Panruti,
Right.
and I always ensure my product. And if you want a good quality, you just come to 240 Cashews. You'll get a premium products.
So where do you procure the RCN?
RCN basically we are getting from Thoothukudi port only.
Okay.
Before I think 2-3 times I did importing, but
Okay.
it's not workable to me.
Okay.
So I just dropped it.
Okay.
Then I from Thoothukudi I'm collecting.
How has been the demand to the
Now
premium
the
quality
demand
cashew?
was very high. Seriously, I'm telling you the open. I can't supply my material to my party because that much I'm getting a lot of requirement because of my quality only.
Need for high quality cashews are
See, normal quality is there, but it will work it on season only. But
Okay.
in off season, normal quality or regular size, it won't work. If a premium quality means you can sell it in on season, off season.
Okay. Okay.
So people just go for premium quality.
Okay.
Now, that will help you in overall seasons.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Right.
you will create for premium quality, you can create a strong emotional connection with the customer, and fostering loyalty.
Correct.
This will helps you more in cashew business.
When you mention premium quality, is it the size which you are talking, or from
Size, proper size, and finishing will be good.
So you're saying for the very premium quality good, people are willing to pay premium
Yes,
price because there was
who
a
are all wants good quality, that people having a more requirement. If a normal quality means what in season time everybody can buy. At in off season, no, you can't. That won't workable. If a
Right.
regular means regularly you have a chain with the customers.
Okay,
They
okay.
were continuously buy from you, so that premium quality is best. I
Right.
think.
Compared to the normal seasonal product, what is the price difference?
Price difference, it won't be much more high. Only if a normal, for example, I'm talking about a 320.
Right.
W320 means normally basically 320 will be, for example, I'm telling
Yeah.
760 it's going on in one routine. If a premium quality means 780 or 775, like that only.
Okay.
It won't shows much difference. Only 10 or 15 rupees only high.
Okay, okay.
But in that 15 rupees, you can see the much difference from normal to premium. Okay, no. If a premium means some SW mixer will be there, and unpeeled also is there. Normal quality. If premium quality means there won't be any scratch holes, finishing will be good, and overall quality looks good. No.
Which are the major markets which you supply to? You told
See,
you will go
yes,
to North
Delhi,
India.
yes, Delhi, especially Kariboli market,
Okay.
and this Kirana Mandi, Ghaziabad,
Okay,
and Gujarat. I'm mostly concentrating on Gujarat and Delhi only.
Right.
Delhi more than I'm 7 to 8 places. They are regular dispatches, and also these buyers are connecting with me more than 5 years.
Okay, okay.
They know lot of processor in Panruti, but they don't want to go to other party because they are emotionally connection with my materials, no.
Correct.
So they don't want to go to others. They are fixed in my quality. They are happy with my material.
So there is
Yes.
reliability for
Yes,
your
yes,
material.
yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
and
much,
I
and,
wish you all the best.
thank you.